It was quite a raspy cough. I suppose the terms I've learnt now are there's like an upper respiratory and then the lower respiratory, which basically means it's either coming from the throat or it's coming from the chest. And I didn't know there was you don't really know there's much of a difference until you have to. But it was quite a chesty cough and quite, I suppose I'd call it quite a wet cough. It kind of sounded quite raspy and it wasn't just a dry cough. It wasn't like it was much deeper than that. And they kind of struggled with it a bit. It was hard for them to clear their throats.